Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to create the composer cloud composer 3 environment step by step in very simple way. So let's start. So first of all, let's understand what is this composer 3, right? So basically this composer 3 is a tool that helps you to automate your workflow using the Apache Airflow. So you don't need to manage the servers. This means that Google does everything for you. Okay, so let's start creating the environment. So open your Google Cloud console. So to open the Google Cloud console, go to the console.cloud.google.com. Okay, so make sure that you have selected the correct project. Okay, and if you don't have any projects, you can create a new project. Okay, then in search bar, search the Cloud Composer API. Cloud Composer API. Okay, click on this API. Yeah, so the API is already enabled. So okay, so it's auto enabled, but always double check. Then now you can click on this logo. Now in the search bar you can search the composer, Cloud Composer. Okay, composer you can type, then click on this environment. Okay, now you can click on the create environment. Okay, so select the composer 3, means this Airflow 3. Don't select the composer 2 by mistake. So in the name you can give the name, let's say composer 3 demo. You can say composer 3 demo. Okay, location, so choose the nearest regions, like let's say you are in India, right? So you can select the Asia South one. Yeah, Asia South one. Okay, then service account, you can select your default service account. If you have already any other service account, you can select that one, otherwise you can select this default one. Okay, so you can select this zonal availability. Okay, any. So we are not creating for the production, we are creating for the testing, so you can select the standard one. So in the environment resources, you will see the small, medium, large, extra large, custom, right? So select the small to save the cost, and if you expect the heavy workloads, then you can go for the medium, large, and other one. Okay, then we can, yeah, you can click on the allow access from all IP addresses. Okay, and we can keep everything as it is and click on the create. Yeah, so it will take next 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so in next video we will see how to create the tags. Okay, thank you guys.